Hey guys, so this video is going to be a golden fresh summer makeup tutorial, and I'm just going to be using some of the newer Too Faced products from their Tutti Frutti makeup collection, which by the way smell bomb.com. Alright you guys, and to prime my face, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Miracle Blur. It's gonna like a primer. It doesn't say on the box that it's a primer, but it is stated that you can use it under your makeup. So I've used it for primer years ago and then I totally forgot about it. I watched like an older video and it reminded me of it, so just wanted to get it again. They definitely doubled up the price since then, but it's definitely great, especially for the days that you don't want to use any makeup. It's really good. Definitely blurs out your pores. Like, it's definitely for sure a miracle blur. Now I'm going in with the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Do You Full Coverage Foundation, and it's like a more dewy look, and I got mine in the color vanilla. It was a pretty good match, and it smells amazing. It smells like watermelon, you guys. It's just nice to smell it as you're putting it on your face. Just an extra little plus when it comes to putting on your foundation. And the best part is that it comes with a pump, which you can control. I absolutely loved it. The finish of it, like I said, it's a dewy, more like a dewy fresh. So if you don't like the dewy look, you probably wouldn't like this, but it wasn't extremely dewy. It didn't make me like extra shiny throughout the day or anything. So I did like it. And I'm just using my beauty blender damped so that I can blend it out on my whole face. Now I was trying to use this new Revlon Youth Fix full coverage, or it's like a blurring concealer, and it comes with that little sponge applicator, which I like, and it was okay. I wouldn't buy it again, that's for sure, but I mean, I'm gonna use what I have, so I wanted to try it, and I blended it out with a beauty blender, which is what I usually use for my concealers, and this one just wasn't it. So I went ahead and popped on some of my favorite concealer on top of it to sort of fix it. I feel like it didn't cover like the purple enough, because I do have like under eye bags, so I definitely had to pop on my ColourPop concealer on top of that. Now to set that, I'm going to use my Ben Nye banana powder, and I'm just going to set under my eyes, also in the wrinkles of my forehead and the smile lines, and I'm just going to highlight the top of my nose, as you saw me putting it down in the middle. Now I'm going in with two of my current favorite brow products, and it's just a brow mascara basically. So I'm using the NYX Brunette, and then a new one from a brand called In Studio, and that is found at Walmart, and it was 99 cents, you guys. And honestly, it's really good. It didn't like move around, it didn't smudge, and it filled in my brows perfectly fine. Like, I really liked it. For 99 cents, it's definitely a gem. If you go to Walmart, you gotta try that little brand. Here I'm just gonna kind of take my powder brush with nothing on it, just whatever's on it, and just kind of put it on top of the brow so they're not too bold. Then I'm gonna dust off that setting powder. And then I'm gonna do the MAC Studio Fix powder in NC25, and I'm just gonna put this to set my entire face. Now going in for the Too Faced Tutti Frutti Sparkling Pineapple Eyeshadow Palette. You guys, it's so pretty. When you guys see the colors, oh my god, I love it. And the packaging is just like so like glamorous with the glitter. And I think it's perfect for summer right now. You know, very tropical, fruity. So, and it does smell like pineapple, you guys. It smells so good. So I'm gonna start off with that first color on the left side of the palette, just to kind of set my concealer that I put on my eyelids. Then going in with that third color on the palette, I'm just going to use that brown. It's the lightest brown in the palette, and it's a matte. And I'm going to use that to kind of go all over my crease, really. I'm not being really like too careful, and I'm going more upwards in the crease and not like too low, as you can see me doing. I'm kind of more focusing on the crease and above, but I do just kind of blend it out a little sloppy, not crazy of course. Then going in with the darkest brown, which is the second shade to the right of the palette. It's more like a rich brown, so I'm just going to use that to kind of darken the inner corner and a bit on the crease towards the middle, as you see me going from the outer corner and towards the middle of the upper crease. And then I kind of just take whatever's left on the brush and kind of go more in towards the inner corner. And then I'm going to use that beautiful golden glitter eyeshadow and put that from my inner lid towards the more like a little bit passing the middle of my eyelid. And I use the brush, I kind of wet it because it is more of like glitter versus a shimmer shadow. So then if you see me here taking my finger, because the brush just kind of wasn't blending it, just because like I said, it is a really bold glitter. So I take my finger, and the warmth of the finger I think kind of just like spread the shadow better than the brush, and it just worked so perfect. It's a really pretty golden shimmer shadow. Then I'm taking both of those browns that I used on top, on my crease, and I'm going to take it to blend out on the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take that last shimmery shadow to the right of the palette, and I'm just going to use this to highlight my inner corner. And I did kind of wet my brush. It's a pencil brush, but I just wet it so it's a little more of an intense highlight, and it was really pretty. I really liked it. Now going in with two of my favorite all-time drugstore mascaras. I'm going with Maybelline Mega Plush and the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. And both of them are in the Black is Black. And I'm just taking a coat of each and putting them on my top lashes. And then for my bottom lashes, I use the L'Oreal Voluminous mascara. Now going in with two bronzers. I'm using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil and the 131 Hula Hula from Hard Candy. Now I'm using the Too Faced for more of a contouring effect, and I'm using the right one, which is the Hard Candy, as more of a like bronzing for the forehead area. So I use the Too Faced to contour my nose, my cheeks, under my chin, under my lip, and also the side of the foreheads. And then I'll take that Hula Hula by Hard Candy bronzer and kind of just bronze up the top of my forehead. For blush, I'm taking the L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted in the peach scent, and it's just like a mauvey, more of like natural blush color, and I absolutely love it. It goes with any eyeshadow look that I do, so it's kind of my go-to at the moment. And it smells good again, going with the summer fruity vibes. Now going in with Too Faced Love Light highlighter, and I am using the color Blinded by the Light. It's such beautiful packaging, you guys. It's so cute. Look at that. It's just like a golden heart. It's so pretty, and it does highlight very nice. It's not like a extremely metallic highlight. It's just like a perfect highlight. I really do like it. And now for my lip, I'm just using a gloss by Fenty Beauty, of course. One of my favorite at the moment as well. And I'm using the color Fussy. And I'm just going to top my lips with some of that gloss. Again, another product that smells delicious. This shit smells bomb, you guys. These smell so good. And that's it, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel and share this video, and also leave a comment below. Let's talk so I can get to know you guys. Thanks for the subscribers that have recently subscribed, and also for the ones that have been with me since day one. Again, thank you for watching, you guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.